anticipate ni JB Mocon. Ito naman siguro. Sigurado na yan. Two-handed jam para kay JB Mocon.
Nice confidence builder for him. Nice anticipation to get that steal. Then he goes full court. No one around.
7-4, the early score. Abueva now directing traffic. Left it for Rome. Abueva this time again. And finally, he gets a three-pointer para sa Magnolia after hitting one earlier off the glass from the two. Ngayon, naka-trip naman.
Here we go again. Calvin Abueva, the stat sheet stuffer, doing it from all angles.
Tabla na tayo.
Nice
Oh,
backdoor.
yeah. Look at Yap going straight to the hoop. Couldn't make it drop. They might say it's counted because somebody thumped on that net. That's right.
Similar to what Calvin Abueva did a couple games back as well.
Right. Yung Meralco
it
game.
Was a costly mistake. And look at this again.
Out rebounding Harris. Up ahead to James. He gets that one to go.
Big game, James, with some good numbers today.
Leaking out.
Guys were converging. As we see this leak out, like you said, James Yap going up. Says, hey.
Paul Lee. There you go. And every time he takes a shot, it's like he's telling you, the jersey number always says, that's a three.
That's me.
That's a three. That's me. This is a couple of times. Paul doesn't hesitate and didn't need to. That's back-to-back threes para kay Paul Lee. And did you blink? Because, suddenly they're up. Magnolia's up.
That was quick. Paul Lee, he's showing off his little finger glasses there. He comes off the pick, just pulls up. He's got a huge, big Rafi Rivas. The scoring bench, though.
Oh, they got Messi free for a three. He didn't make it, pero andun si Calvin Abueva para i-put back yun.
Throw at him.
Sabi ko, the Wolverine. Oh, look who's there. Kung last time, everything but the shot. Ngayon, every shot.
Every shot is going down. Again, another stat sheet stuffer. Candidate JV Mocon. Second quarter, third quarter. You're not used to it because your rhythm's not there.
Parox with a three. Enough to probably secure itself a playoff spot already.
Oh, yeah.
James Yap, another hoop. Hey, they're going to him and he's producing sa laban na to.
I think that's good for two things. One, for James Yap's confidence, and two, for rain or shine. It gives them another weapon that they can really rely on. Oh, nice seal.
Nakahanap doon si Rome De La Rosa.
6'4" versus about 5'10". We see the blood streaming down Mark Barroca's face. Oh, I'm sure it's sweat and blood. Blood, sweat, and no tears.
Ng batak ngayon, diskarte.
Oh, nice.
And they did set up something really quick.
That was a great play. Let's give credit to Nambatak and Santillan.
Santillan doing it on offense sa laban ito. May mga rebounds din siya, but yung offense niya, really. Ito yung Mocon Abueva matchup. Mocon will step back and hit that shot inside. And JV Mocon, we were just saying, hindi pa nagpaparamdam sa fourth. Ayun na, nagparamdam na.
That was a nice little step back off of one leg. A la Nowitzki. Rome De La Rosa was wide open.